Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manually add in a phone number to the block numbers list on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then on your home screen, tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the option key at the top and choose settings from the pop-up. In here, tap on block numbers and tap on the add phone number text box, and in here key in the phone number that you wish to block, and then tap on the block or tap on the plus button, and that will add it to the block list. So any phone number that has matched with the list in here will be blocked when they try to call you. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.